Proactive strategies to ensure job security and thrive in the age of automation. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, artificial intelligence, AI, is reshaping industries and revolutionizing the way we work. While AI presents immense opportunities for efficiency and innovation, there are also concerns about its potential to automate jobs and displace human workers. However, rather than fearing the rise of AI, individuals can adopt proactive strategies to ensure job security and thrive in the age of automation. Understanding the impact of AI on jobs. Before delving into strategies to safeguard your job against AI, it's crucial to understand the nature of its impact on employment. AI has the potential to automate routine tasks across various industries, ranging from manufacturing and transportation to finance and healthcare. While some jobs may become obsolete due to automation, AI also creates new opportunities for employment in areas such as data analysis, machine learning, and AI development. Therefore, the key lies in adapting to the changing landscape and acquiring skills that are in demand in the AI-driven economy. Strategies to future-proof your career. Embrace lifelong learning. In a world where technology evolves rapidly, continuous learning is essential for staying relevant in the workforce. Take advantage of online courses, certifications, and workshops to acquire new skills and deepen your knowledge in areas related to AI and emerging technologies. By investing in lifelong learning, you can adapt to changing job requirements and position yourself for career advancement. Develop soft skills. While technical expertise is valuable, soft skills such as creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence are increasingly sought after in the age of AI. These skills are difficult to automate and remain in high demand across industries. Focus on honing your interpersonal skills, communication abilities, and adaptability to complement your technical competencies and differentiate yourself in the job market. Cultivate a growth mindset. Maintaining a growth mindset is crucial for navigating the uncertainties brought about by AI and automation. Embrace challenges as opportunities for learning and growth, and be open to acquiring new skills and exploring diverse career paths. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, adopt a proactive attitude towards leveraging technology to enhance your productivity and effectiveness in your role. Specialize in niche areas. As AI becomes increasingly pervasive, there is a growing demand for specialists with expertise in niche areas of AI and machine learning. Identify areas of specialization that align with your interests and career goals, whether it's natural language processing, computer vision, or robotics. By becoming a subject matter expert in a specific domain, you can carve out a niche for yourself and become indispensable in your field. Foster human-machine collaboration. Instead of viewing AI as a competitor, embrace it as a collaborator that complements your skills and abilities. Learn to leverage AI tools and technologies to augment your work processes and enhance your productivity. By embracing human-machine collaboration, you can harness the power of AI to automate repetitive tasks, analyze vast amounts of data, and make informed decisions more efficiently. Stay agile and adaptive. In a rapidly changing job market, agility and adaptability are essential traits for career resilience. Be prepared to pivot and evolve in response to technological advancements and industry trends. Stay informed about developments in AI and emerging technologies, and be proactive in acquiring the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in the evolving workplace. Network and build relationships. Networking remains a valuable strategy for career advancement, even in the age of AI. Cultivate professional relationships within your industry and beyond, both online and offline. Participate in industry events, conferences, and networking groups to expand your professional network and stay connected with peers, mentors, and potential employers. Building a strong network can open doors to new opportunities and provide support and guidance throughout your career journey.